Hey guys and girls, in this video we're going to take a look at the best exercise bikes. I've made my research and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I've listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay to the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the exercise bikes in the video, just subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell, and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify him when we reach 5,000 likes. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best exercise bikes on the market right now. Coming at number 10, we've got the Exerpeutic Folding Magnetic Upright Bike. If you live in a small space and don't have much room to store workout equipment, folding exercise bikes are great for you. The Exerpeutic Folding Magnetic Upright Bike not only folds to half its size, but it's also sturdy enough to hold up to 300 pounds. The large cushion seat can be adjusted for a height range of 5 feet 3 inches to 6 feet 1 inch. Its LCD display indicates distance, calories burned, time, speed, and more, with built-in pulse sensors in the handlebar to monitor your target heart rate. And the 8 levels of tension allow you to make your workout easier or harder. Number 9. NordicTrack Commercial S22i Studio Cycle. Need access to on-demand studio cycle classes from the comfort of your home without breaking the bank? NordicTrack's S22i Studio Cycle is your go-to bike. Stay motivated and follow a class on the bike's 22-inch interactive HD touchscreen with a virtual instructor controls your bike's decline, incline, and resistance to ensure you get a good workout every time. The indoor cycle bike moves to a 20% incline and 10% decline and offers 24 digital resistant levels, so you can choose a workout that's as challenging or as low intensity as you want it to be. The bike's display tilts and rotates 360 degrees, allowing you to take advantage of other classes offered, like yoga or strength training. The bike comes with 3-pound dumbbells, so you can get the most of your classes and work out your upper body too. Coming at number 8, Stamina Elite Total Body Recumbent Bike. The Recumbent bike by Stamina is different from others in that it provides the option for a total body workout. This piece of equipment features upper and lower body pedals that you can choose to use together or separately. For complete comfort, the bike is made with a padded seat and seat back, which can be adjusted to accommodate various heights. Also, the backrest is angled for ergonomic success. Moving the bike out of view for after you're finished is easy with the built-in wheels. As far as resistance, there are 8 options to help achieve the workout you desire, plus its pulse sensors are also included to monitor your efforts. Coming at number 7, Marcy Recumbent Exercise Bike with Resistance ME709. This Marcy stationary bike has 8 levels of magnetic resistance, so riders can choose the tension levels that suits their comfort and goal. There are knobs that control the resistance, as well as the ability to simulate riding on different terrains. The LCD monitor functions as an odometer, displaying time, speed, distance, and calories burned. The machine also has an ergonomically designed seat manufactured with high-density foam for ultimate comfort. The handles are also made with comfort in mind, as they are fashioned with contoured foam and can accommodate someone who is 300 pounds. Number 6. Desk Cycle Bike Pedal Exerciser. If you're struggling with mobility, this desk cycle pedal exerciser may be a good option. The pedals can adjust to 10 inches off the floor, so users don't have to lift their feet too much to engage with the machine. This machine has 8 calibrated magnetic resistance settings, offering just the right workout you need at a near silence. The display features the speed, time, distance, and calories burned. It is great for seniors or those with mobility issues because it is easy to operate. Those who use it under a desk while they're working may not even realize they're doing it. Of course, this isn't going to give you a full-on sweat session, but it has many overall health benefits. Coming at number 5, Concept 2 Bike Erg 2900 Stationary Exercise Bike. The Bike Erg was designed with traditional cyclists in mind. Now, if you're wondering if the Bike Erg still delivers a killer workout, the answer is a resounding yes. Concept 2 builds very durable and effective equipment, like Model D Rower, which is by far my favorite, and now the company has applied those same principles to its Bike Erg 2900 stationary exercise bike. The Bike Erg isn't the most aesthetically pleasing design, but it is made to take a beating that will keep you going. Its easily adjustable seat height and handlebar positions provide a customized fit. Coming at number 4, Uuda Indoor Cycling Bike. If you haven't heard of the Uuda indoor cycling bike, it's probably because the company only makes exercise bikes. This is a super quiet, belt-driven bike that won't drown out the TV while you're getting in your afternoon workout. Overall, the Uuda is a good bike with a killer 30-day fully refund guarantee and a 1-year free parts replacement warranty. While this bike is definitely made with budget conscious in mind, it's also one of the most highly rated on Amazon with over 700 reviews and 4.3 out of 5 stars as of this writing. Number 3, Echelon Smart Connect Fitness Bikes. This one comes as a decent exercise bike that offers a wide variety of on-demand and live spin classes. The magnetic resistance provides a near silent riding experience, and thanks to the customization options that let most people find a way to sit on the Echelon Connect EX3 the way they prefer. Unfortunately, the bike doesn't come with a built-in screen. This takes away from the experience. Of course, you can use your Echelon Fit web login on any smart TV and watch Echelon classes on a big screen. If you want to see your Smart Connect bike stats on a smart TV, Echelon recommends using an Apple TV or screen mirror for your TV. There are third-party apps you can use as well, like Mirror for Samsung TV and Video and TV Cast. Considering the sturdiness of the Echelon Connect EX3, the available classes, and the affordable price point, I would recommend the bike for people who are happy to use their own gadgets to view the Echelon app, and you will be able to save a pretty penny by getting the Echelon Connect EX3 bike. Coming in number 2, Schwinn Ad6 Airdyne Exercise Bike. The Schwinn Ad6 Airdyne is one of the best exercise bikes you can buy, and it's got the features and results to back it up. The wind resistance nature of the bike helps to give you a full body cardio workout, and with an extra padded, oversized seat, this will be as comfortable ride if you choose to remain seated. And while this bike is a little expensive, you can also feel comfortable with the quality of the product you're investing in. What it lacks in conventional styling, it more than makes up for with a punishing workout that targets multiple muscle groups. The professional quality Schwinn unit uses belt-driven fan resistance, which essentially means the harder you work, the more it cranks up the resistance level to fight back and make the workout even harder. This doesn't mean it'll make you a professional athlete overnight, but it will assist you in nailing those daily targets. Number 1, Sunny Health and Fitness Indoor Cycle Bike. This sturdy, solid stationary bike from Sunny Health and Fitness has a steel frame and 49-pound weighted flywheel that can hold a maximum weight of 275 pounds. The seat can adjust to 4 settings, and the cage pedals include clips to keep your feet in place. The leather band resistance system is designed to mimic the feel of a real road. While the bike doesn't come with a screen, there is a bottle holder, and assembly takes about 10 minutes. Multiple Amazon reviewers raved that it was the best exercise bike and noted that they used it in place of a more expensive Peloton. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best exercise bikes. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.